Welcome to the ultimate space test. Let's see if you can get a perfect score. Question 1. Which massive planet shown here is the largest in our solar system? Is it A, Mars, B, Jupiter, or C, Neptune? It's B, Jupiter. It can fit over 1,300 Earths. Which planet is closest to the Sun? Is it A, Mercury, B, Venus, or C, Earth? It's A, Mercury. It orbits in just 88 days. What is the name of Earth's only natural satellite, pictured here? Is it A, the Moon, B, Titan, or C, Io? It's A, the Moon. It is our closest space neighbor. What is the name of our home galaxy? Is it A, Andromeda, B, Milky Way, or C, Triangulum? It's B, Milky Way. We live in its spiral arms. Which planet is famous for having these beautiful, bright rings? Is it A, Neptune, B, Uranus, or C, Saturn? It's C, Saturn. It has the most extensive rings. Which planet is widely known as the red planet? Is it A, Mars, B, Venus, or C, Mercury? It's A, Mars. Iron rust makes its surface red. What do we call a person who is trained to travel and work in space? Is it A, astronomer, B, astronaut, or C, astrologer? It's B, astronaut. They train to live in microgravity. What giant star sits at the very center of our solar system? Is it A, the Sun, B, Sirius, or C, Polaris? It's A, the Sun. It holds most solar system mass. Which planet is the only one in our solar system known to support life? Is it A, Mars, B, Venus, or C, Earth? It's C, Earth. It has liquid water and oxygen. How many official planets are there in our solar system? Is it A, 7, B, 8, or C, 9? It's B, 8. Pluto was reclassified in 2006. What type of reusable space vehicle is shown launching here? Is it A, space shuttle, B, Apollo capsule, or C, Voyager probe? It's A, space shuttle. It carried astronauts and cargo. Which planet is the hottest in our solar system, despite not being the closest to the Sun? Is it A, Mercury, B, Venus, or C, Mars? It's B, Venus. Its thick atmosphere traps heat. What is this icy, small solar system body that warms up and releases gas as it passes near the Sun? Is it A, asteroid, B, meteor, or C, comet? It's C, comet. It develops a glowing tail. What invisible force keeps the planets in orbit around the Sun? Is it A, magnetism, B, gravity, or C, friction? It's B, gravity. The Sun's mass pulls them. What robotic vehicle is shown exploring the dusty surface of Mars? Is it A, space lander, B, rover, or C, orbiter? It's B, rover. They drive and analyze rocks. What was the name of the very first artificial satellite launched into orbit in 1957? Is it A, Sputnik 1, B, Explorer 1, or C, Vanguard 1? It's A, Sputnik 1. It started the space race. What is the name of this giant habitable satellite where scientists from many nations live and work? Is it A, Hubble Station, B, Mir Space Station, or C, International Space Station? It's C, International Space Station. It has been occupied since 2000. What are Saturn's spectacular rings mostly made of? Is it A, liquid water, B, ice and rock, or C, gaseous helium? It's B, ice and rock. Billions of particles orbit Saturn. What rare astronomical event is shown here, where the moon blocks out the sun's light? Is it A, solar eclipse, B, lunar eclipse, or C, supermoon? It's A, solar eclipse. The moon blocks the sun. Which planet in our solar system is unique because it rotates completely on its side? Is it A, Jupiter, B, Neptune, or C, Uranus? It's C, Uranus. It spins almost horizontally. What is this giant, colorful cloud of dust and gas in space where new stars are born? Is it A, nebula, B, galaxy, or C, black hole? It's A, nebula. They act as stellar nurseries. Approximately how long does it take for light from the sun to travel to Earth? Is it A, 8 seconds, B, 8 minutes, or C, 8 hours? It's B, 8 minutes. Light travels at a finite speed. What is the boundary around a black hole, beyond which nothing, not even light, can escape? Is it A, singularity, B, event horizon, or C, accretion point? It's B, event horizon. Not even light can escape. Where is the main asteroid belt located in our solar system? Is it A, between Mars and Jupiter, B, between Earth and Mars, or C, beyond Neptune? It's A, between Mars and Jupiter. It is filled with rocks. What is the name of Saturn's largest moon, which has a thick atmosphere and liquid methane lakes? Is it A, Europa, B, Titan, or C, Enceladus? It's B, Titan. It has liquid methane lakes. What famous space telescope, launched in 1990, took this photo of deep space? Is it A, Hubble, B, James Webb, or C, Kepler? It's A, Hubble. It revolutionized our view of space. What nuclear process powers our sun and other stars by joining hydrogen atoms into helium? Is it A, nuclear fission, B, nuclear fusion, or C, radioactive decay? It's B, nuclear fusion. It releases immense energy. What is the name of the largest known volcano in the solar system, located on Mars? Is it A, Mauna Kea, B, Olympus Mons, or C, Mount Vesuvius? It's B, Olympus Mons. It is 3 times Everest's height. What is the name of the closest star system to our own solar system? Is it A, Alpha Centauri, B, Sirius System, or C, Orion System? It's A, Alpha Centauri. It is 4 light-years away. What do we call a highly magnetized, rapidly rotating neutron star that emits beams of radiation? Is it A, white dwarf, B, pulsar, or C, red giant? It's B, pulsar. They spin and emit radiation. Which solar system body was reclassified from a major planet to a dwarf planet in 2006? Is it A, Ceres, B, Eris, or C, Pluto? It's C, Pluto. It has not cleared its orbit. What is the name of NASA's premier space observatory, launched in 2021 with giant gold mirrors? Is it A, James Webb, B, Hubble, or C, Spitzer? It's A, James Webb. It uses advanced infrared cameras. What is the name of the giant bubble of charged particles created by the sun that wraps around our solar system? Is it A, atmosphere, B, magnetosphere, or C, heliosphere? It's C, heliosphere. It blocks harmful cosmic rays. According to scientists, what is the estimated age of our universe? Is it A, 4.5 billion years, B, 13.8 billion years, or C, 20 billion years? It's B, 13.8 billion years. That is a very long time. What is the name of the theoretical giant icy cloud of debris that surrounds our solar system at its outermost edge? Is it A, Kuiper belt, B, Oort cloud, or C, asteroid belt? It's B, Oort cloud. It is a massive icy shell. Which of these is currently recognized as the largest known star by radius in our galaxy? Is it A, Stephenson 218, B, Betelgeuse, or C, Rigel? It's A, Stephenson 218. It is a red supergiant. What do we call the 5 unique points in space where the gravity of 2 bodies cancels out, allowing spacecraft to hover? Is it A, Kepler points, B, Lagrange points, or C, Newton zones? It's B, Lagrange points. They are gravitational sweet spots. What specific structural classification of galaxy is our Milky Way? Is it A, elliptical, B, barred spiral, or C, irregular? It's B, barred spiral. It has a central bar. What is the name of this giant, centuries-old storm spinning in Jupiter's atmosphere? Is it A, Great Red Spot, B, Dragon Storm, or C, Great White Spot? It's A, Great Red Spot. It is wider than Earth. Who was the first woman to travel into space, orbiting Earth 48 times in 1963? Is it A, Sally Ride, B, Valentina Tereshkova, or C, Mae Jemison? It's B, Valentina Tereshkova. She orbited Earth 48 times. What is the name of the large spiral galaxy closest to our own Milky Way? Is it A, Andromeda, B, Triangulum, or C, Large Magellanic Cloud? It's A, Andromeda. It is our nearest galactic neighbor. What is the stellar term for the violent, colossal explosion of a dying massive star? Is it A, nova, B, supernova, or C, nebula collapse? It's B, supernova. It happens when stars explode. Which of Jupiter's moons is the largest moon in our entire solar system? Is it A, Europa, B, Callisto, or C, Ganymede? It's C, Ganymede. It is larger than Mercury. Roughly how many Earths could fit inside the total volume of our sun? Is it A, 1.3 million, B, 100,000, or C, 10 million? It's A, 1.3 million. The sun is absolutely massive. How many did you get right? Let us know below, and subscribe for more fun quizzes.